Tashi Dilek, Rooster Signs. Let's check your May month energy. What are you attracting in this May month? So let's check your starting of the month. You look very confident and you are ready to take action. Okay, so you have taken some action. You have been through a lot of difficulties, but you have fight with that, and finally you have gained lots of patience and also very confident. Okay, you're looking very confident. Your energies are looking very positive and energetic, and you are ready to take next action. Okay, and because of that, now you are in a journey, new beginning. Okay, there's something you are starting. This can be in a relationship, you are starting something new, or this can be about your career path. You are starting some new business or new journey, new work or new job, or this can be anything. Something is there that you are starting, or this can be in your health. Okay, some health journey you are starting. Maybe you are ready to take action. You look for lots of confidence and you are starting something new in the starting of the month. Okay, and around the mid of the month, now you look like you have worked a lot and now you want to take some rest for yourself. Okay, you look a little bit tired of working very hard in your career path, or this can be in a relationship. So now you want some peace and like some time for yourself. Okay, that kind of energy, but your thoughts are running like very speedily. Okay, your thoughts are like you having some, suddenly you will gain some ideas and you are going to work on that. Like you were thinking to take rest and suddenly you get some great idea from that resting time, and then you are working running towards that. Yeah, like you're taking action towards that. And around the end of the month, wow, so around the end of the month you are coming out from this kind of energy. This is devil energy, so there is some devil energy in your life. This can be in a relationship, some toxic or some bad influenced or manipulative in a relationship, that kind of energy. Or this can be about your health. You're consuming some bad thing which can harm your health, but you're consuming, or something is there. Okay, like devil energy. Or in a workplace, some negativity, like negative people are there in a workplace or something. Okay, so around the end of the month you have to come out from this energy. Okay, whatever this is for you. And finally you are going to be in this energy. This is very positive energy, most positive card in this tarot deck. Okay, the Sun card, very positive, happiness, freedom, like inner child healing energy. Okay, and you are gaining lots of name, fame, success. Whatever you have wanted, you are going to get that. And at the end of the month, and you are going looking very happy with this energy. Okay?